Elezithandani ezineminyaka engu-34 ubudala okholakala ukuthi beziqashe endaweni kadokotela Mputhi obulewe ziboshwe kuleli sonto. Kubikwa ukuthi lo dokotela ubulawe ngasekhaya lakhe ngomgqibelo ebusuku phambi kwendodakazi yakhe eneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala.
Mr. Reddy and Miss Pillay, your matter is postponed to 10 September 2025 for bail investigations. You are both remanded in custody until then.
Kuthiwa kuqale kwaba nengxabano phakathi kukaMufi nabasolwa mayelana nemali ebebeyikweleta.
I feel like I'm responsible for allowing them here and for the same people to take away our happiness, because doctor was our pride and joy. You know, there was never a dull moment with him. And the only reason he helped, because of the child, to give them that money, and because of them not paying the money back, this whole thing has taken place.
Udokotela Mputhi uchazwe njengomuntu obenothando emndenini wakhe.
I wish we had more men that were still respectful that way, because that's the change we need to see. And as a dad, I mean, I think that in a society where most dads are just shirking their responsibility, to have known a dad that was that amazing with his little girl, because I don't know if Lorraine shared with you, her mom's also passed away. So it was a single dad raising his girl, but he just was the most amazing, respectful and humble soul I've ever met in a long time.
Abasolwa bagcinwe esitokisini.